up there? God damn it.
Oh no, I'm leaving it another way. I'm leaving through the front door.
What front door?
The way I came in.
I'm coming with you. I hear a dog. I hear a dog out there, McCree. Don't leave me, bitch! Don't leave me! It broke down that door.
That door's locked.
Shut up! You hear that damn dog down there? Let's go to the house. Oh, bro, there's 3 dogs down there on the road. Get as far up on the mountain as you can. There's 3 dogs down there. Get out! Get in here, now! Who the fuck ringing my doorbell? Oh, my God.
There's a zombie. Bro.
Get in. Come on. Bro, where the fuck my headphone go? Where'd my headphone go? Oh, it's right here. Bro, you could have left.
I had to save you from a fucking zombie.
The fuck? Alright, let's go this way. Fuck!
Dumbass.
Fuck you!
And you got a light, you dumb fuck.
I seen it, but I thought I could just stumble down it. Bro, McCree. Pearson got me some of this Old Forester. Should I drink it or should I let it sit for a
That's
little
what I. Oh my god.
It's 100 proof. It's 100 proof. Ain't no way. Did you die, bitch?
Yes.
How'd you die?
Shut up.
How'd you die, bitch? What do you mean, shut up? How'd you die? Don't be mad because I'm alive and you're not. See, and this is why we can't go on fucking trips for a long time. Because our goddamn inventory gets too damn full.
That's why I have a stash house.
How are you gonna mark that stash house?
I marked it on. It's on the map. It's called Drop House. I don't know if you can see it though.
Daddy! No, I can't see it. Fuck! Yeah, shit, we're...
It's a fucking wolf, bro. Ain't got nothing to fight it.
pussy bitch. All them times you sat there and laughed at me getting chased by a wolf. Taste the medicine, bitch. You hear that? Sound like you choking on your own medicine, pussy.
I'm coming to get my shit.
Damn, Custer, I went pretty goddamn far out. I ain't gonna lie to you. We need to start going further and further out.
Yeah.
Fuck, so that means if we put that block down that we might have to... They might try to break into our house even when we're gone. You know what I'm saying?
They already were doing that.
No, they were spawning in. They weren't breaking in. They weren't breaking.
I've seen a few of them. When I come back, they break in the fucking house.
You got killed by a zombie, you said?
Yeah.
Well, you're welcome. I just killed him. Fuck. Swear to God, if I die again on these bum-ass little fucking... Whatever the fuck you want to call these, definitely ain't no goddamn mountains. Hey, you want to come kill this biker over here with me?
I'm going to go get the treasure.
Hey, let's kill this biker.
Why do I have my level 3 bow out instead of my level 5?
That's just what I put in your inventory, bitch. Ah! I got pussy. Damn, I'm glad zombies like die from you stabbing them. Like this open wound. You know what I'm saying?
I need to make more arrows. Fuck, I need to find more bird's nests. I'm going to go get the treasure.
Oh yeah, buckaroo. Getting us more iron, baby. I think Pearson should be home anytime soon now. Hello? Hello?
Hi there, this is your Domino's Pizza calling. You know that your order is on the way. Please remember to leave your voice light on, and thanks again for choosing Domino's.
Okay. They really have to call me and tell me that. Did you hear that shit?
Yeah.
Bitch, I have the app open. Just fucking tell me. Or text me, bro. You ain't gotta call me. Fuck. Let's sure hurry up and goddamn break. Fuck it. Hell of iron, that's all I'm hearing. A lazy amount of iron.
Painkillers and another shotgun.
Fuck, another one?
You know what we can go do?
What?
Go buy the anvil from the trader.
How much money we got? We got enough money for it?
We should, after this treasure, we should have a few thousand. We already have like 1,800.
How much does it cost for an anvil, you know?
I don't know, but I seen one last time.
Sarah is pulling up now. Shut up. Get in here.
I'm almost to the treasure. I'm a few hundred away.
More? Hey, already got 1,000 more iron, baby. Now we just gotta fucking... We got the anvil to be set for a little bit, but... Kinda, not really. You know, I get the hint. Go the fuck away. Just put it on a goddamn porch. Oh. Fucking hate talking to delivery drivers, dude. I don't even tip the bitch anything.
Damn. I'm like 50 away. Break out the shovel. Fuck, I forgot it's this big ass area. Bro, you gonna have to come help. At least I'm getting XP from doing this shit. Oh, we need clay too.
We got hella clay. What do you mean? We need clay too. Why do we need clay too? Huh? Answer me when I'm talking to you, pussy.
I just asked, don't we need clay too? I don't know what we need it for. I'm just asking if we need it.
I think we're gonna need it for like, what you wanna call it? I think we're gonna need it for like concrete and shit. So if you see those clay rocks, I'd beat the shit out of those motherfuckers too.
I'm digging a whole bunch of clay right now, so that's what I was asking. It says you're what? Bitch, I'm underground.
How the fuck you underground?
Digging for the treasure.
What are you in holes?
Yeah, I guess.
Damn, bro, it's already 1 o'clock. God damn. Home sweet home, baby.
Keep saying you're getting closer to the treasure, but I haven't found this bitch yet. I already hit rock. Now I'm just going in different directions.
Well, then you're getting closer. I don't know what to tell you. Crikey. Damn, these fuckers did come through here and tear up our spikes. Fucking knew they would, too. Bitch, if you run any spikes, at least rebuild them, you asshole. You're the fat ass that ran into him.
Really wish I had a better shovel right now. I'm
There's
on
that
my
steel
fifth
shovel on
fucking
here that you
shovel.
never grabbed.
I'm on my fifth fucking shovel.
Should I? We probably should keep these goldenrod flowers now.
Yeah, I turned them, some of them into tea. Oh, start the fire back up. There was goldenrod that was being made, but it took too long.
Alright.
Yeah, I left before it finished.
Put this food in the box, this murky water, this can. Did we build another chest for the fucking gun parts?
We didn't build one yet.
I'm gonna build one right over it. Well, I got $1,900 or 1,900 shit in my fucking inventory right now. 1,900 what you wanna call that shit, bro? 1,900
Where the fuck this treasure at, bitch? Found it.
we got more yucca juice.
Yucca? Yeah.
Yucca. We have 3 now. Food. What else is food in here? Blueberries is food.
Lockpicks. I need a lockpick.
Fuck? What do you need a lockpick for? Corn seed.
I need forged iron and mechanical parts for that. I'm just about to break this bitch.
God damn, bro. Leave me alone, bitch. I don't want nothing to do with your ass. Fuck, that goes in the fucking gun one too, dumbass. Nitrate powder? Where'd I put that at? This sure wasn't here, huh? Let me go back into here. Brass. We have a fair amount of brass, but we have 3,700 iron now. You're welcome.
Fuck. It's taking so long.
You knew it
I
would.
gotta break the fucking thing. It got 7,000 HP. This shit better be worth it.
I'm gonna laugh. It's just like a quarter. So day 28 would be the 7th day?
Yeah. So I got 4 more days.
Oh, it's done. Ah, fuck you. They're the same dumb shit you do. Stupid ass. We could honestly probably end up tearing this bus down and using it for something. Or we could just use it as a zombie deterrent. I'm fine with either. I ain't gonna lie to you.
There's a zombie coming towards me.
It's a good thing we got them fucking spikes. You better hurry up. It's almost 20.
I don't even know how to get out of this hole. Never mind, yes I do. Well, I'm hidden so they can't see me anyway.
staring at me for, you ugly fucking nose bitch? Guess I'm talking to you, Keita. I'm about to get back in the house myself.
They're above me.
Who is?
Zombie. But I'm 100% hitter.
I honestly need to play. Fucking put some of these goddamn bones away. Well, they got too many.
Fucker came down here.
Who came down there?
Zombie.
And they're running now.
I'm about to put some dirt over here, bro.
You dumb bitch. Why'd you put shotgun shells in the wrong fucking casing? You fucking asshole. Damn, bitch, you put all kinds of gun parts in here. And fucking...
The space. It ran out. The gun parts thing ran out of space.
Yeah, we also put fucking mini bike parts in this bitch. Ass lick. Bitch, I just made that and you fucking out there tearing it up. I can hear your bitch ass. Might take a couple of these shivs out of here to make more space. Only like 15 in my inventory.
They trying to break the ground to get to me.
I doubt they'll get to you though.
It's gonna take a minute. I'm pretty deep.
You better hope they don't get to your ass, pussy bitch.
What the fuck?
What?
This motherfucker got down here.
Where the fuck you? You 500 meters away, huh?